Okay, so for our example here, we are saying every 6 months, Juana deposits $355 into an interest-bearing account to save for her children's tuition. The interest rate on the account is 3.2%, compounding semi-annually. So it's compounding semi-annually, therefore N equals 2. So what is the present value of the investment if Juana's children leave for college in 16 years? And so what I want to do here, and let me make this bigger so it's a little bit easier to see. It'll move for me. All right, so on this one right here, we want to know what the present value is. So I want to make sure I'm on the tab that says present. Okay, and this one right here, it did not say. It said that every 6 months she puts $355 into an account, but it doesn't say when she puts it in there. So since it doesn't specify this, I'm going to do this as an ordinary annuity. So what I'm going to do is put in the $355 here, and it's compounded 2 times per year. The rate is 3.2%, and this is for 16 years. So if you notice here, the amount of the annuity in 16 years is going to be $8,836.63. And that's all you have to do on this one.